Yeah, so I did this for my resistance ratio. And it also prints.
This is your personal design?
Yes, it's roughly based off a Mendel or a Prusa, but yes, I designed it myself.
Can you hold it up for us right now? Or is that too much?
Yeah, I can. I just got it.
If it wasn't so cool.
Oh, what's that? Basically, you push back the white carriage stage and you pull the sides. It's not super too heavy either.
So what's the build volume on it?
It's 200 by 200 by 175. My goal was to actually take up the entire surface of the basic Prusa heater platform. Because it would be really easy to make a small build platform on a portable printer, so I wanted to push it as far as I could.
Awesome. Really?
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep, no problem.
Hi. Dennis, is this yours?
Yep.
Can you explain?